So, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, dear friends, it's truly a pleasure for me to welcome you to the Chemical Landmark celebration. To welcome you on behalf of the Senate of the Swiss Academy of Science, which I have the honor of serving as president. I would especially like to warmly welcome Mia Mentimäki, president of the Finnish Chemical Society, Ed Constable, member of the Board of Trustees of the Royal Society of Chemistry, and Gisela Böck, chair of the Board of the History of Chemistry of the Gesellschaft Deutscher Chemiker. Thank you for being with us today. Your presence is truly an honor. The Senat Chemical Landmark Program recognizes and highlights Switzerland's scientific and technological heritage in the field of chemistry. But this is an old program. I think it's begun more than 15 years ago, if I remember well. And since then, several important sites have been awarded for their key role in the history of chemistry. Sites, or locations, it may be universities or industrial facilities. And this year, we are paying a tribute to the University of Zurich. Why? In the second half of the 19th century, the University of Zurich played a pioneering role in opening academic education to women. And this made something remarkable possible. A young woman, Lydia Sesemann, came here to complete her doctoral studies. And on May 15, 1874, Lydia Sesemann became the first Finnish woman, and indeed the first woman in the world, to receive a PhD in chemistry. Other women followed, other women who received here a PhD in chemistry. The first American woman, this is Rachel Lloyd, then Olga Wöhlbrück, the first German woman, Gertruida van Marseven, the first Dutch woman, and Edith Humphrey, the first British woman to receive a PhD in chemistry. So the University of Zurich played a pioneering role in opening doors of higher education to women, especially, of course, in chemistry. The awarding of the Chemical Landmark 2025 to this institution is therefore fully deserved. In aviation or in maritime navigation, a landmark is a prominent structure visible from afar that serves as a reference point. Our chemical landmark serves the same purpose. Yes, of course, they look back. We are commemorating important moments of the history of chemistry. But just as importantly, they inspire us for the future. Let us hope that the model set by the University of Zurich in the late 19th century continues to inspire us today as we work to strengthen equal access to education, especially equal access to higher education, because this equality is not just important, it is foundational to an open, inclusive, and democratic society. So once again, thank you, all of you, for joining us today.